Hello, 10-6. How are you? I hope you're fine. This is class 39, and we are going to start a new unit. It's unit 7, and it is called Value for Money. In the warm-up activity, we are going to have speaking practice. A student's book on page 88, activity 1 and 2 will be done in our Zoom meeting. Okay, so during the week on Monday or on Thursday when you join the meeting, we're going to deal with these pictures, compare and contrast, and they are related to shopping. Yes, so nothing to do here, just for you to know that it will be done on the Zoom meet. Activity 1, vocabulary shopping. So we are going to continue working on page 88. Yes, I'm going to show you the pages, unit 7, and we are going to work on this exercise that we can see here. So you have a box, you have to complete the text with the words from the box. Please, before completing, read the words in the box. If there is any word you don't know, check the meaning in the glossary. Yes, I put it here so that you can learn the word you don't know. Then, in activity number 2, which is called supermarket psychology, you're going to record yourself. People, do not skip the activity. I have already told you, please, this kind of activity gives you the opportunity to practice your oral skills, and you need that. We are not in class. I mean, no estamos en clases presenciales. I need to listen to you to know how you're improving, to correct you if you make mistakes, and to give you tips. Así que es mi forma, nuestra forma con Miss Lu de poder hacer este seguimiento oral, más allá de los Zoom meetings, pero que ustedes puedan grabarse y poder expresarse. Okay? So click on vocabulary. Yes, you already know the site. Ya conocen the red button. You click there and you answer the questions here. Don't worry about the length. ¿Sí? Tómense el tiempo que necesiten. Please do not answer yes, no. Yes, yes. Okay, I want you to express ideas. So you have 4 questions. Number 4 is a bit longer because it has to do with your experience as regards going to the supermarket, and if you pay attention where you can find products. Sí, tiene que ver con esto de ir al supermercado y ver dónde están los productos. Because they are not placed at random, okay, in any place. There is a reason. So, can you tell me, yes, where you can find these products? And here I wrote the areas: at the back of the shop, in the middle, at the checkouts, en las cajas, near the entrance, near the exit, okay? It has to do with your experience. So please remember to, once you finish, copy and paste the link here so I can listen to you. It will be quite interesting. In activity number 3, you open your book on page 90 and you are going to read Why I Hate Shopping. So you are going to read the text. Sorry, there is some noise because I think there is a plane flying over my house. Sorry. Now I can continue. So on page 90, exercise 3, you read the text and you complete with the sentences that have been removed. On page 91, you have sentences A to D to complete. There is always one extra sentence. In activity number 4, we're going to start with present perfect. It's an old topic for you. On student's book on page 91, yes, on this page, sorry, here is where we are going to work on. First, I want you to read the uses of present perfect in exercise 1. So in exercise 1, there is nothing to do. You only need to read. It says the present perfect links the past events and situations with the present. Okay? I always say that the present perfect is like a bridge. Es como un puente that joins the past and the present. So you have five uses. Five uses. Okay? Something that starts in the past and continues until the present, casi siempre está con for and since. Describe events which occurred at some time between the past and the present, but we don't know exactly. That is what we call indefinite past. Okay? Un pasado indefinido sin un tiempo preciso. Por eso no uso el simple past, uso el present perfect. To talk about something which occurred in the past but in an unfinished time period which includes the present, es algo que tiene un continuado e incluye el presente. If I ask you, what have you done today? Today todavía sigue el tiempo presente, por eso uso el present perfect. I have done many things. I have planned a class. I have recorded my videos. I have corrected, and the day goes on. Number 4, talk about recent past events with some relevance to the present, a kind of resultative past. There is a result of the past action in the present. And last but not least, to talk about the first, second, third time something has occurred between the past and the present. When I say it's the first time I've eaten sushi, okay, when you describe the first, the second, the third time something has occurred in your life, you use the present perfect. Present perfect, have, has, third column. Have, has, present perfect. So then you're going to do activity 2, exercise 2, on the second column, es decir, en la segunda columna. And there you have to tell me which use. Leo la oración y qué uso refleja de los que expliqué antes, from 1 to 5. Okay? I put here an example. Sentence A, it refers to use number 5. Okay? Use number 4, my mistake. Use number 4 because it's a recent action, okay? Your parents have just arrived. I can hear their car. It's a recent action. Y entre paréntesis, pónganme cuál es la interpretación de ustedes. Recent action, unfinished, indefinite, okay? Use those words. In activity exercise 3 on the same page, you have a box with expressions. You classify them into simple past or present perfect. ¿Con qué tiempo los voy a encontrar? Yet, present perfect. Last summer, simple past. Okay? And then I want you to use 5 expressions. Elijan 5 and write your examples. Ustedes crean el ejemplo. Okay? In activity number 5, you open your workbook on page 57 and you do the open close. Remember, open close, you complete with only one word. Okay? If you have any question, you can ask them through Google Classroom. Bye bye, Team 6.